but I'll be eating right now. That just like a little side note. But one thing I'm learning, bro, we, you know what I'm saying, we as humans, like, we're not going to hurt. We can make a mistake or, you know what I mean, things like how God is doing the change, but at the end of the day, when God is changing, it still comes up. If I say I want a clean heart, don't be too hard on yourself, bro. Just don't be, and I'm talking to myself too, but don't be hard on yourself. Don't be trying to, I mean, thinking it's the end of the world or you make one mistake, it's over with. Don't be thinking if you're not necessarily, or when you're not, you know what I'm saying? I mean, come on the side that's, you know, what's the real side, that's God's side, you feel me? So just run with that.
You do me and more gang, it's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit the notification button so you get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? What it do, gang? We're here with the vlog, doing like a cozy, rainy night routine or night in. And as y'all can see from the montage, I had already prepped my dinner for tonight. Do a little facial, take a nice hot shower, make me some cookies, pop some popcorn, or eat some chips, drink me some wine, and watch TV. So I decided to pick up the camera to just record, you know. Y'all can see I have my chicken already seasoned, and I just bought me a cheese pizza, and I just added me some turkey pepperoni and cheese too. I'm about to put that in the oven. So that's what I'm about to do. Y'all, I procrastinated doing this all day, but here we are. I wanted this to be like a summer wing vlog, but I don't know. Those in.
It's just a body wash. And she recommended this shower oil skin and if you don't have this, next is going to be the lotions. EOS Cashmere Vanilla. I've been using it at Target. Go to Finery and get almost all of those products. I'm going to give you a rundown real quick. Sticky Dates from Lush is worth the hype. It does smell like straight up vanilla. It is so gourmand and beautiful. Would recommend. When it comes to body like shower oil, I don't really use that, so skip. If you want another body wash that's scented vanilla, Method Vanilla body wash, great. Next is going to be the lotions. EOS Cashmere Vanilla. That stuff. And then perfume sheets Billie Eilish today are trying to figure out. Next is going to be the Billie Eilish perfume. It's good. Such never know the difference. Girls that I bought. Sick. But then layered.
I'm not going to be able to do the job.
I disagree. Michelle, I am not impartial. I see a situation and I think about it as a cop.
Yeah, the line you walk. I got a taste of it today. The cop in the community's butt. Isn't because I'm knee-jerk pro-cop. It's because the program works. And the number of cops stay in their homes that they purchased for 5 years minimum. And if they choose to sell before then, the Good Neighbor program.
You sure? Mm-hmm. And we're clearing the kids.